To be honest, CyberWarrior called my attention because of representation. My name is Hanniel Victorino. My job title is System Administrator, Windows and Linux. My current employer is Textron System, which is a DoD contractor. Before I joined CyberWarrior Academy, I was working for FedEx as a driver. So I was doing that job for about 3.5 years since I moved to Massachusetts. But before that, I always had the desire to switch to the IT field. I did a couple of IT jobs back in the days, but I wasn't able to get back into the field until I found out about, CyberWarrior Academy and the opportunity that they were providing. Different circumstances in my life didn't allow me to start on an early age, but that was something I always had on the back burner and also something that I wanted to do. But I had a family, I had these different responsibilities. My first priority was make sure I could provide for my family. But at some point, I got the opportunity. It's something that caught my attention. I didn't know much about cybersecurity before. I knew about IT, troubleshooting, and those basic topics. But when someone talked to me, he explained to me the whole program of what actually cybersecurity is. That kind of blew my mind. I was like, wow, I think I want to do that. I mean, I kind of like that. I think I'll be good at it if I get into it. So the main reason I picked CyberWarrior Academy is because I saw familiar faces. I saw people that look like me, that talk like me, and they understood my culture, where I called from. And they were able to kind of transfer that information to me, show me, open my eyes to what the cybersecurity war is. So that kind of made me feel comfortable to, get into this field. And that gave me that little motivation that I needed to actually, take that step. Yeah, I feel really proud of what I do right now. And even though a lot of people in my community don't really know what cybersecurity is, I kind of been taking upon myself to teach people what it is and trying to motivate people to get into the field. There's not a lot of Hispanic people in this field, but I would like to see more people eventually. And that's why I said before, representation matters. Seeing people that looks like you doing this will motivate the younger generation to get into this field. And I'm pretty sure we can do great things if we are determined to. If I were not have the support of my family in this process, for sure it would be a lot harder for me to accomplish this, because we actually, before I joined the academy, we sat down. I told her, listen, I'm going to go back to school, but I need to be 100% full-time student. So you guys don't know that, but when I joined, I wasn't working the whole time. I had some savings, we're going to pay, the mortgage, the bills, whatever, out of this savings or whatever little money comes. But I want to be 100% invested in this, because I don't want just to pass an exam or say that I wanted to actually learn and, give my 100%, just give it my best. Right now, I'm super proud of what I do and the company I work for, because in a sense, I feel like I am helping keep this country safe. I'm doing my part. Not directly, but I'm doing my part on that process, and that makes me really proud.